So once we have our millet, our toy, and our blanket set up, we want to have our scissors ready. So I have used a second towel to wrap him up, and I did this very gently, okay? And we want to make sure he is feeling comfortable. And then gently start taking out the wing. Okay. Feathers that we do not want to touch. These are the covert feathers, these right here. Okay, all of these. We're only going to be trimming the ones here, ones down here. I like to leave the first two, these right here. The first two, I like to leave them because it gives a better look for the feathers, and it's also not necessary to trim. They will still be able to fly, but not so high where they can drop also and hit the floor and injure themselves. So that is very important when examining the feathers. You want to make sure that you are not trimming all of this. About these two first, okay. Okay, we got two done. Remember, we're leaving these two. Okay. And then we're gonna cut two more. And we're gonna let them relax. Okay, so now that we let him rest for a few minutes, we're gonna start on the left side. Okay, we're gonna gently take out the feathers. We are not trimming the first two feathers, and these are called the two primary. Technically, all of these here are the primary feathers, so the first two are these that we're gonna leave, okay? Right. See how he has his toes over here? I wanna make sure we push those back. We don't want him to push those toes out when we're trimming, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start the trim. Okay, so we're gonna cut these four. We cut right here. Okay. And we can trim these little ones sticking out. And then we're gonna let him sit now. See? And that's it.